Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I'm going to just sprinkle colors and move them around. Starting with Blue Velvet, which is dribbling out so nicely I don't think I want to stop. Some Red Violet, some Tickled Pink, the Perfect Indigo, some Rhapsody Rose. I've got a gnat in my studio, right in my face. Some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Whatever I get will be something, or it'll be background for something else. A little Decor Dazzling White, metallic. I'm not sure about the medium black yet. I wasn't sure about the orange, but I think I'm gonna opening that up. Some more Rhapsody Rose. I'm really tempted by some silver, but the white works almost as well for that. And I'm going to use some of my Frosted Berry as a paint chips. Everywhere and always. I never used any of the Vibrant Aqua. And anything else I want, I will deal with afterwards. And any spaces I have, which I could leave, might be the perfect place to put some black. I still have paint chips and or yellow. So I was afraid I'll make green with yellow. But I might just want to use the Rhapsody Rose, which is what's coming to mind. But if I clean off my spatula, I could do the yellow. And what I really want is more Tickled Pink. That's what I'm thinking. Like in really a lot more. Not worry about the yellow a bit. I want a little more orange too. Orange is dangerous because it'll turn brown with blue really fast. Alright, if I clean off my spatula quickly enough, maybe I won't be tempted by the paint that has orange mixed into it with it. Okay, so I'm going to look at this for a second, see what I can do with the required yellow or orange. Remove that chip with whatever it is. I still might want some more orange. Although, you know what I've got? I've got pink carnation, and I like that in combination. And then I can put black over the top if I want to. Ooh, I'm not sure I like that. But I could change my mind. I do often. It's a start. I really want more Rhapsody Rose. I sound obsessed. Alright, I'm not sure what I've got for start, but I've got it. I want saffron. That's sort of a crazy way of doing things, but I'm going to try it. Right before I rinse my spatula off. Hard to believe it works. Just plowing right through. But it kind of does. If I clean my spatula off, mostly on a piece of silicone matting, and then my studio sponge, I could probably add my little bits of black and gold. Which is what I'm inclined to do. We'll see how that goes first. It's also white. Let's grab a little gold and go there. And it sounds like I need to go let my dog out. Except for I still want to play with the white. The dazzling white. Which under certain circumstances I might contemplate leaving as strands of paint, but I'm not sure this is the time yet. I am having fun, and I'm feeling like I'm really treading on dangerous ground. If I don't like what I've got, I've always got tomorrow. Wet into wet means it'll drag down to canvas if I'm not careful, but I've got this paint on my spatula and I want it, just need to grab one of my little rubber brushes, and maybe that'll be working. I'll use some of that black with a rubber brush, which would be now, if I'm going to do that. All my tools have paint on them. Into the bucket they go. Let's grab some black and try this out. I'm using a baby organic spinach lid as a palette. I want to do it with the gold now. It's got a fair amount of energy, this piece. It takes a delicate hand not to dig down to canvas though. So be warned. I'll be floating some stuff. I want to do it with the orange. I wonder if I can. Maybe I should find out before attempting this on a larger canvas. I'm liking the striking black marks of the silicone brush. This was just open. And obviously needs work. Oh, there's a dot of gold right in the middle. Maybe I need more. I want to dig right in and make marks, but I don't want to bring the canvas up. So if I'm going to do something like that, it's going to be another time, another canvas, or tomorrow. And I'm really liking this a lot. Every time I push my envelope to find out what can and can't be done, I find out, at least I find out something new that can be done. And I've got more black paint to use up. So use it up I will. Not sure I like that. But I don't hate it either. I do think it's time to stop playing. She said, hardly meaning it at all. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm actually pretty surprised at how beautiful this is. I thought it was going to all go sideways when I swiped through and crossed over with the spatula. That looks like a really deep puddle. Thin that out a little bit. No, I'm happy. That reminds me of one of my dad's paintings. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.